everyone, welcome back to the chapter. As you have know that we have completed half of the chapter yesterday and today we are here. We'll start with a quick recap of this chapter and we'll finish up the chapter. Okay. So as I have told you to ask some things to your parents and grandparents, have you asked it to your parent and grandparent or any elder? Okay. So yesterday we have seen. Later, his game became better and better, but his marks kept getting worse and worse. Her teacher also tried to explain him that there was a limit for everything, but he was not ready to accept it. Little daddy was like he didn't want to do any kind of argue with anyone because nobody was able to understand his obsession for the ping pong game. He became so good at the game that he could beat many of his friends, and he even beat the third best player. But her teacher said that this things cannot go like this. She wanted to speak with my daddy's parent. She even wrote a letter to grandpa and grandma. She wrote the letter for the 2 times, but the letter was not reached up to the grandpa and grandma. My little daddy was like he bunked off the school. Even he was pretending to pretending that he was going to school, but he was not. He was going to play the ping pong game. Instead there were two in his bag he took two ping pong paddles, a net and 3 balls and even a sandwich in his bag only. Yeah, he met many friends who was totally like him, crazy about ping pong game. When the little daddy's parent was not able to receive any kind of letter, the teacher decided to go and meet with grandparents, little daddy's parent. They got thunderstruck by knowing this all the things that my little daddy was not going to school and he used to play ping pong game. They decided to take my little daddy to a doctor who was not an ordinary doctor. He was the professor and he treat crazy people. But my daddy was not crazy. So my grandparents hid his paddles and balls and took little daddy to a doctor. And he met with a doctor who was not a doctor, an ordinary doctor. He was like his life spent on treating crazy people. Like this, the things happen. So this is all about what we have seen yesterday. Now we'll continue the chapter and we'll see what will happen to the. Now here, when little daddy went to a doctor. The doctor kept asking such stupid question. What was that question? The questions are, do the boys hate you in school? Do you sleep well? Do you have headaches in the morning? Do you have headache in the evening? Are you afraid of the dark? Have you ever had fits? Have you ever been unconscious? Naturally, little daddy said no to every one of them. Then the professor continued, do you like your school? Do you like your teacher? Do you have friends in school? Boys? Girls? And now little daddy said yes to every question. Is there a girl you like better than the rest? The professor asked. That made little daddy mad. Why do you keep asking me all this question? I was playing hooky so I could play ping pong. And your questions have nothing to do with anything. He bunked off the school just because to play ping pong game, not for this kind of question what you are asking. These are rubbish. Alright, the professor said. What do you intend to do now? Play ping pong, little daddy replied. Do you know how this might all end? Have you ever thought of the future? Sure, little daddy said. Our team might win the Moscow tournament. I'm serious. This professor snapped. Means by listening this, like little daddy was sure that the team means if he will play or means his team would win Moscow tournament. By listening this, the professor got snapped, shocked, surprised. So am I? Said little daddy. Then the professor shrugged. He put some drops into a glass of water and said, "Here, drink this," to the little daddy. "I don't want to," said little daddy. "I am not sick." "But I am," said the professor and drank the medicine himself. Then he
Sorry, Rudransh, fits means here the professor or anyone is asking about are you physically fit? That means are you physically fit मतलब आप शारीरिक तौर पे fit हो? It means
he added in a whisper, "If I talk your
my
parents."
first question is that why daddy became worried, very worried.
Into letting you play through the session? Do you promise you'll be back? You'll go back to school in September? Yes, said little daddy. Means after knowing his thoughts, whatever little daddy has in
Because her daughter was playing ping pong. Because her daughter was playing ping pong game. Because her daughter was playing the ping pong game. Delete किया? ये कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं ऐसे करके अपने से डिलीट हो जाएगा।
her daughter was playing with the ping pong game. In his mind, the professor asked him what if the parents will allow you to play ping pong game? What, you will be back in September? You will be back to school in September? Little daddy said yes. Then the professor summoned grandpa and grandma. He